Hi, this is Manish Soni. I am from Ramlogics Technosoft. In this video tutorial, I would like to explain you what is blockchain. Many of you guys might be heard about the blockchain, and also many of the guys even not aware about the blockchain, how it will work. Today in this session, I will explain you what is blockchain in a simple language. Most of the time when you think what is blockchain, so it is a glimpse of a Bitcoin, because people is not aware about what exactly blockchain it is. So they are just comparing blockchain is a Bitcoin, but this is not actual what blockchain and what is Bitcoin. But in this session, I would like to explain you how it will work and what is the integration between the blockchain and Bitcoin. Because the Bitcoin was first to use in the blockchain technology. Now let's discuss about the blockchain, how it is started. Now let's discuss the research about the blockchain. While the people started research about the blockchain from 1991, but the community which is completely pertain to the what is blockchain exactly working and what is Bitcoin, so it is completely pertain to the Satoshi Nakamoto, and it was started with the 2009. Soon after the launch of Bitcoin, the blockchain technology became popular all over the world. Now let's discuss what is the blockchain exactly is. Blockchain is basically a database. Now let me explain you what is database. The database is actually a collection of information stored electronically on the computer system. The blockchain is basically a ledger where we keep a record of all our transactions. Now let's understand from the Bitcoin's perspective. A block of the blockchain first save the relevant information. Second, the block saved hash or a node that is unique like our fingerprints. Third, the block saved hash or code of its previous block. That's how the blocks are connected to each other, and a chain is formed, the addition of a new block. So that's why we call it the blockchain. Now the first block, which doesn't have the hash of any previous block, is called the Genesis block. Now, as well as know, whenever we search on the Google something about the blockchain, the data related to our search is retrieved from the Google server, because the data is centralized on the Google server. Now, what are the centralized and decentralized networks? I will explain this in brief. The centralized network are those networks which are controlled by sole centralized company. For example, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Whereas the decentralized network are those networks which don't have any centralized authority to control the network. Actually, there is no need of a centralized authority to control a decentralized network, because the data is equally distributed on the several nodes. So if a couple of nodes are down, it makes no effect on our service uptime and our data is never lost. So the blockchain doesn't store our data on a centralized server. It stores our data in a distributed network of nodes or server located all over the world. So if you are a member of blockchain network, you will have a copy of all the data. So now we can say that the blockchain is very reliable and transparent technology. Thanks for the blockchain technology, it is very easy for us to track the history of any data. And due to this reason, hacking the blockchain data is nearly impossible. So that's all we have for today. See you in the next video. Till then, if you like this video, please click the like button and share this video. Also, if you have any query regarding the blockchain technology and related projects, please feel free to contact us. We will assist you formally.